Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you'll consider subscribing, and if you do, hit that bell and then you'll be notified of future videos. I do post every Tuesday and Thursday, and I post things about makeup and parenting tips and life hacks and food hacks and laundry tips, cleaning stuff, all sorts of stuff. So I hope that you will find it entertaining and informative and inspiring as well. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Today I am going to teach you how to get butter or oil stains out of your clothing, even if you've already washed and dried it. So if that's of interest, stay tuned and let's do this. All right, so hypothetically, let's say that you were trying to soften up some butter in a microwave so that you could bake. I mean, hypothetically. And so you put it in to the microwave in the block, like still wrapped in its paper, because you don't want to dirty a dish. And then you just do it for 10 seconds. Not a lot of time. It's just enough to just soften it so that you can use it for baking. And when you go to pull it out, hypothetically, it has melted enough on the bottom to where when you pick up the paper out of your microwave, it pours down the front of your jeans. Hypothetically. And then you're like, oh my gosh, I'm wearing my favorite jeans. My favorite jeans. Not just a raggedy old pair of jeans. My favorite jeans. Hypothetically. So of course you want to immediately get that stain out. So you spray it with a whole bunch of spray and wash and rub that all in, throw it in the wash and wash it. And then you pull it out of the wash, hypothetically, and it looks good. Your jeans look fine. So you're like, great, it came out. Throw it in the dryer. And then it comes out of the dryer with a huge waterfall of butter that is now washed and set in the dryer and has permanently ruined your jeans. Hypothetically. Is anyone buying my story that this is hypothetical and that I didn't actually do this to my favorite jeans? Okay, so I did this to my favorite jeans. So what's a girl to do? I scoured the internet to try and find a way to save these jeans, even though I've already dried them. And I found one that sounded insane because you're adding more oil to your jeans to get it out. You take WD-40 and baking soda and Dawn dishwashing liquid. And you saturate the entire stain with WD-40, which was scary. But my jeans were ruined anyway, so I was desperate. Then you take a whole lot of baking soda and dump that all over there and an old toothbrush or some sort of brushing thing and scrub. And then you dump off the excess and you scrub again. Dump off the excess, scrub again, until you really, really scrub this thing good. Then you take Dawn dishwashing liquid and you put that all over it and you scrub some more. Then it just said to just wash and dry as usual, not on any special setting, not on an extra rinse, nothing. You just throw it in there and voila, a set-in stain of oil is now removed. So I did it in the wash. I decided to let it air dry because I was a little afraid to put it in the dryer and, double set it in there if it hadn't come out. And oh my gosh, it actually worked. WD-40 and baking soda and Dawn liquid soap got out a huge stain. And I'm so sorry I didn't actually take a photo of my jeans before it. I was too distraught. But it was like a long strip that went from the top of my thigh all the way to my knee on the jeans. It was this long. And it completely came out. And I let it air dry and it's completely gone. And my jeans are saved. So shout out to this blogger who came up with this crazy method, and it works. It totally works, you guys. So if you get any kind of oil or butter or, you know, grease or something, I don't know if like motor oil would come out, but butter certainly came out, and I had already washed and dried it. So this hack absolutely works, and it doesn't take that much time. I didn't let my jeans sit after I scrubbed it. I threw them straight into the wash immediately, and it came out. So, woohoo! Jeans are saved. Okay guys, I hope this video was helpful if you decide to dump butter all over you, hypothetically. And now you know a way to fix it in case you do, and you don't have to throw away your favorite pair of jeans. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day. Stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya, ladies.